Want to sign documents online without the hassle of printing and scanning? In this video, I'll show you how to DocuSign a PDF step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, head over to the DocuSign website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating it only takes a minute. Once inside, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub where all your documents and agreements are managed. Now, click on Start Now to begin the signing process. Upload the PDF you want to sign by selecting it from your computer or device. Once uploaded, you'll need to add a recipient. This could be just you or someone else you're sending the signed copy to. Simply enter the email address and DocuSign will handle the rest. Next, you will be taken to the editing screen. Here's where the magic happens. Use the drag and drop tools to place your signature, initials, dates, or checkboxes exactly where they're needed. Double check everything to make sure it looks perfect. When you're ready, you can either save the draft for later or click Send to finalize it. And just like that, your PDF is signed, secured, and delivered. DocuSign makes the whole process fast, professional, and stress-free. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick guides to make your digital life easy.